Hi everyone, Aaron here, and today I'm going to show you how you can transfer files like photos, videos, documents and music from your iPhone to your PC, and also from your PC to your iPhone. This method doesn't require you to install any apps. It only requires your iPhone and PC to be on the same Wi-Fi network. Let's check it out. For this method to work, we will need to create a new local user account. To do that, go to the Start menu and type in CMD. Right-click on it and run it as an administrator. And that will open up a new command prompt window. Now, to create a new local user account, type in this command and execute it by pressing the Enter key. The portion of the command highlighted in green is the name of the local user account, and the portion highlighted in yellow is the password. And as you can see, a new local user account has been successfully created. And if you later want to delete this account, use this command or simply press the up arrow key and replace the last part. Next, we need to create a shared folder that your iPhone can access. You can create this folder anywhere you want and give it any name. Now that we've created a new folder, we need to set up its permissions so that our new local account can access it. To do that, right-click on it and select Properties. From here, go to the Sharing tab and click on Share button. Now, click on the drop-down menu and select the name of the local account you've just created. Click on Add, and for the permission level, choose Read and Write. Then, click on Share and click on Done. And next, let's click on Advanced Sharing. From here, check the Share this folder box and down below, click on Permission buttons. Now, click on Add and type in the new user account name and click on Check Names. And click on OK. And here, for the permissions, give it full control. Click on Apply, then OK. And again, click on Apply, then OK. And finally, click on Close. Now that we've created a folder and set up its permissions, open up Command Prompt one last time. We need to get the IP address of your computer on the local network. To do that, simply enter this command and hit Enter. And take note of the IP address. And let's now jump to our iPhone. On your iPhone, go ahead and open up the Files app. From here, click on the ellipsis on the top right corner, and in this menu, click on the second option that says Connect to Server. Here, for the server name, enter the IP address that you just saw in the command prompt, and when you're done, click on Connect. Here, it gives you an option to connect as a guest or as a registered user. Select to connect as a registered user. For the name, enter the name of the local user account we just created and its password in the password field below it. After that, click on Next and the iPhone will connect to your PC and display the shared folder we just created. It's empty now because we haven't shared anything in it. So now, let's go ahead and share some files from our iPhone to our PC and also from our PC to our iPhone and see how well this works. Quickly before that, if this video was helpful for you, please consider subscribing and also like the video and leave a comment. It's the best way to support my channel so I can continue to make more videos like this. Thank you very much, and let's get back to the video.